So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can order a new Monzo card. Say perhaps maybe if you've lost it or had it stolen. So it's nice and easy to do. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the Monzo app and click on the card section where the arrow is pointing on screen here. This will then bring you forward to this page where you'll then just want to go ahead and freeze the card if you've not done so already. Then once your card is frozen, it will then give you the opportunity to order a new card. So you'll just want to go ahead and click on that. This will then ask you to list why you need to order a new card, so you just want to click on the option that most suits your circumstances. So if it's lost, you'll just want to click on the lost option at the top. This may ask you to confirm whether or not if there's been activity on your account, so obviously check this before ordering a new card, but if there has been, you obviously just want to say yes, but if not, just say no. Then again, this will just take you through a few more pages, so you just want to go ahead and select on next through these tabs here, and then it will just ask you to confirm the name that you want on your card. Then next up, it will just ask you to confirm the delivery address where you want your new card sent to. If you need that changed, you'll just want to go ahead and change it, but if not, just click on confirm. And then again, it will just ask you to confirm which type of card you want. So there are a few options depending on the quality of the card you want, but for the most basic one, it's just the hot coral one listed here. And then finally, it will just ask you to confirm these details. And if that's all good, you can go ahead and confirm your order at the bottom. And then once you've done that, you'll then need to roughly wait a few business days for your card to arrive. And that is it. And once you get your new card, you can then activate it through your app again. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. But of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. But thanks again for watching.